Hello and welcome to the Linea Scenario Tool, built to help you take action from your marketing mix modeling. In this video, we're going to look at three things: how to run a scenario, some key features of the Linea Scenario Tool, and some use cases to help you get value from this. Now, firstly, we're going to look at how does the Linea Scenario Tool work. It connects your MMM model directly into the Linea Scenario Tool, be that from Robyn, Meridian, or any other providers. In terms of some of the key use cases or key questions that the Scenario Tool helps you answer, we typically find that it helps you allocate your budget. How do I hit my target revenue or new customer acquisition? Or what's the most efficient way to allocate my media budget? Now let's jump into actually running some scenarios. Here we select Add Scenario, and at this point we're able to define between an optimized budget, a generate uplift, or an unconstrained scenario. Moving on to the next page, we're able to select the period length and then also the week of the scenario to start. On the next page, we're able to select what channels we do or don't want to include in the scenario before looking at the channel constraints. The first of which is the number of weeks that are active. The second of which allows us to allocate a minimum or a maximum spend. We hit next and then we're able to set our total budget. This is preset with last year's budget. We can obviously change that as appropriate before finally being able to select and take into account the synergy factors. This reflects the fact that the market or economic factors or product changes that are likely to happen in the future might be different to what's happened in the past. We can select to reflect a minus 10% synergy factor, plus 10% synergy factor, or we can overlay that ourselves. In this example, we're going to select a plus 10%. We hit next and we input the scenario name and then we create